So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this is IIL02. So now we're here to unbox my Kayakoph Gabriela Silang Watch. So, first of all, I just want to tell you that I am so thankful that I was picked as the winner of the search for Gabriela Silang ambassador. So, they coined me as the Young Achiever. So, now I just want to show you the watch that they gave me as part of the prize for being their ambassador. So let's do this, guys. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da! So there you go, guys. This is the official Kayakoph Gabriela Silang Watch box. So on the print on top of the box, it says Kayakoph Gabriela Silang Limited Edition 1 out of 1,731 or 1731. So guys, before I fully unbox this watch, I just want you to know the history regarding this watch. So first stop is the Gabriela Silang. Why is it called the Gabriela Silang? So this watch is actually dedicated for Gabriela Silang. If some of you doesn't know who's Gabriela Silang, she's one of the pioneering heroine in the Philippines. So she fought, she led thousands of Filipino men to defend the Philippines against Spanish colonizer, together with her husband Diego Silang. So she's one of the first female hero to fought for the independence of the Philippines. So that's why Kayakoph Watch dedicated their brand in making this watch for the Philippines, or for the Filipinos itself. So this is also designed for the modern day heroes of today. So which we all know who are they? They are the OFWs, or the overseas Filipino workers. So that's the history about the watch itself, or the Gabriela Silang. So we're done with Gabriela Silang. So now Kayakoph PH. So what is Kayakoph PH? Kayakoph PH is a brand that empowers modern day Filipinos and recognizes the strengths of Filipino workers all over the world. So that's why they dedicate their designs for the Filipino quality, Filipino icon, and Filipino brand. So there it is. You can follow them at kayakoph.ph on Instagram to see all their designs for this watch, as well as what is the history behind using Gabriela Silang. So there you go, guys. Now let's do the unboxing. There it is. So still in the plastic. Just put it here. So what I got is the classic Gabriela Silang black watch. So there's still a plastic here. I'm just gonna remove it. Yeah, that is so satisfying. So guys, let's dissect the watch carefully. So first of all, this is the watch itself. So it has the Kayakoph brand on top of it, and it's monogram type of watch, if I'm correct. Correct me if I'm mistaken, but I know this is called the monogram watch, using the Roman numerals for their numbers. And as you can see, the dial itself, it's so good. It has this it is designed as the sun, similar to the sun used in the Philippine flag. And as you can see, there is a wordings on the middle of the clock, the watch itself. So it says Generala Gabriela Silang. So this is in gold color, and as you can see, there's actually a sword, but this in the Philippines is not just a sword. This is, we call bolo. It's a bolo, wherein this is actually what Gabriela Silang used as her weapon to defend herself and other Filipino men in the battle with the Spanish colonizers. So, let's go back with this strap. The strap is made from genuine Italian leather. So there. So it also has the Kayakoph embroidered at the back. What's so good with this watch is that at the back of it, there's an engraving of Gabriela Silang. So this is how she looks like in our Philippine books regarding history and how she fought for our independence. So it's really detailed. As you can see, Gabriela Silang there. And this is 1 out of 1731. So guys, as I've said, 1731, this is one of the limited edition watch. So the production of Kayakoph PH is restricted to 1,731 watches because they wanted to dedicate it to the day Gabriela Silang was born, which is 1731. Now, I asked as well, what is the mechanism, or where is the motor mechanism of the watch was made. It was Japan made, so good quality. So this is Italian leather, also a good quality. So I hope you can see much of there. So I noticed as well at this part of the watch, I hope you can see it, there's a small icon of a leaf. So there, it's actually the Kayakoph brand logo. So you can see how much they put details on this watch, and it's so good because the quality is really good. I mean, I know we have a lot of watches out in the market, but this one, it has so much meaning because it uplifts the Filipino brand so much. So there it is. So here, and there it is. This is my Kayakoph PH limited watch. So it's actually blue. Yep. There. And so in the box, there's actually a pre-strap. So it's a red strap, also Italian made. And there it is, guys. So this is my unboxing of my Kayakoph PH limited edition Gabriela Silang watch. So I hope you enjoyed. And also, guys, since I'm an ambassador for Kayakoph PH, please visit my Instagram page, IIL02, and use the code KayakoIsabel on www.kayakophph to order for this watch. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video.